Okay, so what we have here is an Adobe Acrobat Form, and we're not sure where the values are coming from to calculate the price field based on the quantity and the unit price. We know the unit price here in this example in the first line is $3.50. We know it calculates correctly, but we're not sure where that $3.50 comes from. So what we're going to do is go to the Tools and then expand Form Tools and More Form Options, Manage Form Data, and finally Export Data. What we'll do is we'll export the data into a format that we can then open and change and re-import into the form. So when you export it, you're going to select XFDF as the file format, then save that. Let's put something after it so I know it's my data. Now we're going to go to where I saved that, and it's XML, but the easiest way to edit it for now, for this example, is just going to be to open it in Notepad. So open with Notepad, and you'll see what comes up is just a bunch of XML data, which is pretty simple. It's similar to what you'd see in unformatted HTML source. And the field that we're looking for here that contains that 350 is named text 38. We know that by looking on the original form at the hidden form fields, and text 38 we know is the field that contains the source data that we're looking for. I'll show you that with going to the form editing. There's text 38. Each one of those represents the unit price that is used for the calculation. And that's where we get the text 38 from. So going back to the XML, I'm just going to search for 38 so I can find that field. It's not a very big document. And there we have it, text 38. The value is 3.5 or 350. For this example, I'm just going to change it to 375. Close and save that. Then go back to the Acrobat Form. Go back to More Form Options, Manage Form Data, Import Data. Doing the same thing we did when we exported, just importing the change data. Make sure you select the XFDF file format. There's the file that contains the changed data, and as soon as I import it, that is changed to 375. So we've changed that source data that we were looking for before but couldn't find. Of course, that's just changing the underlying data. The form or the text on the form doesn't reflect that yet, but that will be edited just as normal text on the form. And that's it. You've changed the underlying source data from which the price is calculated.